So this week, we are going to get into classes and objects. This information is the foundation for object-oriented programming. So we will be covering it in this class, kind of an introduction, and we will also be covering it in the 195 class because it is really important for you guys to understand how to create your own classes and then how to instantiate objects from them. So the lecture demo kind of covers all of the basics as far as creating classes, creating methods, what a class constructor is, what get and set methods are, the difference between some of the access modifiers that we use for classes, and then kind of a summary of some object-oriented concepts. There is a video that goes through the entire key point lecture that you can watch as you are reading through that information. And then you will complete Code Easy. These are the exercises that you need to finish. Then I do have some helpful hints for a couple of them. You will take the screenshots, put them into the Dropbox as you have been in previous weeks, and then there is a lab assignment. And the lab assignment is basically designed for you to kind of practice working with classes. And so I do have an example in the lecture demo that is similar to what you need to do. There are instructions in the lab assignment that I go over in this video. And if you click on this link, it takes you right to the spot in the lecture demo with the example. So you've got two different exercises that you are going to be working with. This second exercise, you'll be working with private members of a class. And in the first example, you are working with public members of a class. So, and there's a little bit of difference between private and public, and that is what the assignment is trying to get at, so you can understand the difference. Then we do have a unit test. There are 18 questions on the test. They're worth 1 to 6 points each, depending on the difficulty of the question. It's open book, open note, and you can take it 3 times. The system will record your highest score. You will not see the correct answers until the test closes. Okay, so you have a week to take the test, and it basically covers lessons 10, 11, and 12. And then you'll notice that the additional resources are listed. You'll notice I have some hidden here that you guys can't see, and those are different Code Easy solutions. So the classes and object resource you can see, and if you need more information, go ahead and select that, and that will take you out here to just another explanation of what a class and an object are. If you run into problems or if you have any questions at all, let me know. If you run into a coding problem, make sure you copy the program, paste it into an email, and send it to me. And then I will copy the code and paste it right into Visual Studio, and I can run it and figure out what the issue is. If it's a Code Easy exercise, I will compare it to what I have for the answer. Basically, if you've done the same thing, I will just send you what I used and mine scored. So, don't, do the Code Easy ones over and over again. Try it a couple times. And if you think it's right, send it to me. Okay. Have a great week and let me know if you have any questions.